Hi everybody, I want to show you how to install PostgreSQL to Windows. Search for PostgreSQL and go to postgresql.org, download Windows. As you see, download the installer, click and which version we want to install. Windows, for Windows, and last version, click download. It is downloading to this left. Download it and go to download file. Double click. Ask for permission. Yes, of course. And it is preparing to install. Welcome to the PostgreSQL setup wizard. Next. Default. No, do not need to change. Do not need to change. At the end of it asks for more permission, more options. Next. 1, 2, 3, 4. Repeat 1, 2, 3, 4. Next. The port number do not need to change. Local, of course. Next. Next. It is installed right now. Installation not completed. It asks for install stock builder. Uncheck and click finish. That's all. PostgreSQL SQL Server has installed. Search for pgAdmin. As you see, pgAdmin 4. Click. It is waiting for start. Ask for 1, 2, 3, 4. As you see, cancel. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, connected. That is all. It is connected. If you want to use PowerShell script program, you need to add environment variable. Go to program files, PostgreSQL, and bin and library. Copy, right click, properties, advanced environment, path, adjust, new, paste, enter, and new for library. Leave. Press enter. Okay, that's all. As you see, pgAdmin 4 is ready for your usage. As you see, class catalog, DB, as you see, table space, where you want to save your table at the table space, and DB Postgres, that's you, as you see. PostgreSQL is that's all. Thank you for watching me.